Oh, yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Right now, it's like what time? 3:24 in the morning. I don't even know where I am. All right, let's go. It is pretty chilly out here tonight. I'm just kidding, I know where I am. I'm currently in Laval, heading back to the west. So I have a question for you guys. Do you guys prefer riding more during the day or more at night, or like late at night, like right now? For me personally, during the day is nice, but I don't know, there's something about riding at night. Like the roads are practically empty. There's no cars. It's just you and the road basically. You put on some good music and just ride. That's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, let me know down below, man. I'm really curious. Do you guys prefer riding during the day, at night? Yeah, let me know. Today I was at a motorcycle meet, and someone came up to me and they saw I was wearing a new cut, you know, and they asked me what kind of patches am I gonna put on it. And, you know, it got me thinking. I have no idea, man. I ain't got no patches, nothing. I never felt like I don't know how to say it, like feel a part of a brotherhood or whatever, be part of a club, but I just haven't connected, you know, with the right people yet. So yeah, that got me thinking, like, what patches would I put? I just didn't find the right people with the same interests, I guess, as me. I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts about clubs and all that? Joining clubs, riding clubs? I'm curious. Also, do you guys like riding alone? Do you guys like riding groups? Me, I like riding alone. I like riding in a small group, like me and probably 2 other people. That's about it. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is what I mean about riding at night. Look at the highway, it's empty, man. I could probably speed right now and I'll be good, but I won't do it. So yeah, what was I saying? Riding in groups. Nah, not really my thing. Like, I really have to trust you to ride with you, man. I just feel like riding in big groups, you're just asking for trouble, man. And if I do ride with a group, I always make sure I'm the last one. I don't gotta worry about nobody behind me, you know? And I go my own pace. But that's just me. It could be fun, you know, riding in a big group. Like today, I went to a motorcycle meet. I just ride up solo. I see everybody else with their cliques, and that's cool. I don't really have a clique. It's just me, yo. Nothing wrong with that. And most people I meet at the meets, man, they're cool. Nothing against anybody. It's just me. I'm just a weird person, you know what I mean? Like, I went to the meet today, said hi to all the people I knew. Then I got a drink, sit down at the table, and just, you know, I was vibing, just chilling, watching everybody come in, see everybody who's talking to who. And I was good with that. I was having a good time. I'm just a very weird man. I'm like, I don't talk. I'm very quiet. I think I'm antisocial. Or I'm not even shy. People think I'm shy, but I'm not shy. I just don't really have much to say. Not much of a talker. So I think I listen more than anything, you know? So yeah, that's my 2 cents on riding with groups and going to the meets and all that. But yeah, I cannot say this enough, man. Look at this. I'm alone. There's no cars. Barely any cars. I could chill, put my guard down a bit. And man, you hear everything. It's pretty sick. And on the other topic of like asking me what patches I would have put on, I don't know. I haven't found a place where I fit in yet. Maybe I don't fit in. So yeah, that's my it's kind of a weird video. Deep thoughts with Bolt Rider at 3:40 in the morning. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. So yeah, let me know down below, what are your opinions on everything I just said? I'm curious, man. Let me know if you like to ride during the day or night. Are you a solo rider? Do you like to ride in a group? Are you part of a club? You don't gotta answer the last one. But yeah, I'm curious. Anyway, if you stayed up all the way to the end of this video, I appreciate it. And I'll see all you guys on the next one. Take it easy. Peace.